oh, ayan na ina.
Parehas kami malaki mukha. Lahat, oh. Pero maganda siya, in fairness, oh. Pag bumaba panalo buhok nito, oh, di ba mas maganda talaga. Halika na, anak. Anong pangalan mo, na?
Maria Fe.
Maria Fe. Hindi ba pwede padong na lang? Para medyo okay. Pero na anong trabaho? Kailan ka pa rito sa Japan?
Magdalawang taon.
Oo, kakaloka. Buti hindi mo naisip kasi di ba pagkasabi nila pag ang bakla nasa Japan, mga mahilig magpaganda, nagpapachusa, nagpapaano, di ba? Buti hindi mo naisip yun. Nagtatrabaho ka na dito sa factory din.
Parang ng trabaho.
Oh, quality control. Ano yun, nak?
Taga-check ng mga pyesa.
Ay, okay. Nakakatuwa ka. Saan keep it up? Kailangan gawin mo yun, no? So, sino favorite singer mo? Oh, the art the word. Nakatay mo para marami komentar. Di ba art the word? Si Water, Madonna, Michael Jackson, lahat. Sino gusto mong, sino pinaka-favorite singer mo? Ano ba, Pilipino or foreign? Ano bang ginagawa mo? Meron ko, dati ka ba lawan? Hindi, ano mga kanta yung gusto mong kantahin?
Kantama si best friend.
Later than the sunset. Nakaka-istorbo po ba kami? Palagyan po ng harap dito, guard. Later po, Prali Polipi. Ayaw mo kumanta ng Kang-Kang, ganyan, ni Wenzel. Kang-Kang saan, Kang-Kang kailan, gano'n ayaw mo. Okay, if I were a boy, and me and you, I ask my mother, what would I be? Gano'n. Ayaw mo mga gano'n. Would you want to? O sige, pasok na natin mga kaibigan ng anak ko. Palakpakan naman natin on stage. Ano pangalan mo? Maria Fe. Sa lalaki? Bertugo. Kita ko ng pangalan. Bartolome. Lalaki. Palakpakan naman everyone. Kita ha, kumanta pa rin kayo ha. Everybody come on, sway your hand.
Could you watch me sleep so close to you? Pretending not to know. How could you romance for me and forget who I am? How could you think you're still the same? Living again. It's so late.
Stop pretending.
It's so late for the new beginning. Later than the sunset, and later than the rain. Later than never to love you again.
Oh, palakpakan. So, best at number 2 ko ha.
Could you ask for more than innocent smile? Trusting me to stay. How could you close the door and leave me? Simple saying I'm okay. How could you break up my disguise and uncover my fears? How could you look into my eyes, ignoring my tears? It's too late, I'm pretending. It's too late for a new beginning. Later than the sunset, later than the rain. Later than never to love you again.
Palakpakan! Ate Jean ha, hindi ka pa rin makakaano sa akin, kakanta ka pa rin later ha. Sugiwa, lalaki ulit, shit. Pag ganun po tayo, ayan. Pangalan na po natin sila. Okay.
It's too late to start pretending. It's too late for a new beginning. Later than the sunset, later than the rain. Later than never
Yes! Maraming salamat, Bartolome.
I love you,
Sorry
best
po nga,
friend.
diba? Ang bakla talaga. Ako po, alam niyo po ba yan?